history of storytelling is one of the most interesting modules we offer. It's a fascinating look at how our species distinguishes itself through the lens of technology platforms, and we use a timeline to do that. So we start back with cave paintings in France in 32,000 BC, and move on to the Gutenberg printing press, and the first photograph, the first short film and first radio transmission, the first commercial TV broadcast, the first commercial game console. Back in 1977 is when personal computers hit the mainstream. 2003 is when LinkedIn and MySpace came alive. In 2004, Facebook joined. It's funny that 2007, that long ago, was the first iPhone. Right? More recently, we've had optical fiber trials at 1 terabit. And this conversation can't be complete without looking at the fact that Twitter was acquired by Elon Musk in 2022. Wherever you stand on that acquisition, it's clearly going to have an impact on storytelling in the future.